Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This video is dedicated for very beginners. We are going to look at some of the basic designs of dot mandalas. Let's get started. This is the first dot mandala that we are going to start with, and this is actually a fridge magnet, but see, it's already the magnet is stuck here. So I have base painted this portion in black, and I found the center too. See, if you look at this is 3 inches. The diameter of this board is also 3 inches. So I took 1.5 inches as a radius and found the center. Now the small circle, I drew it with this protractor. This is the circle, I placed this protractor like this, and then I drew the circle. Now for the next circle, I'll draw it with compass. Since the circle is going to be small, it is a bit challenging to draw the circle in fact. So instead of rotating the compass, I'll rotate the painting surface. So now in this 3-inch board, I found the center, drew a smaller circle, drew a bigger circle. Now let's get started with dotting this. I'll start with dotting in the center in gold. I'll keep 8 dots around this golden dot in sky blue. This video is just to make the beginners understand that even with the simplest of patterns, you can create beautiful dot mandalas. Now I'll keep tiny dots in sky blue. Since the board already has magnet and this is the metal tool, as I dot it is moving, so I had to really hold it. Now I'll keep some dots in gold. This is too small, so it is very difficult for me to draw a grid and mark angles and all. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in sky blue. If you're a very beginner who's watching this video, try all these patterns or try all these mandalas repeatedly. Now I'll keep tiny dots around the edge of this board. Now I'll keep some golden dots. I'm sure this is a simple, easiest dot mandala. Try this out and let me know how did you get it. Now I'll draw a smaller circle around this center dot. Now 2 small circles are already done. Let's get started with dotting now. I'll dot in the center with gold. Now I'll keep some marine blue dots. For this marine blue dots, either I must have chosen a smaller tool or I must have made the circle bigger. So instead of dots coming in a circle, it looks like a square now. I'll keep some golden dots now. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes to each golden dot here. I'll keep some marine blue dots. I'll walk the dots in gold now. In this board, I already drew two small circles, and we can get started with dotting in the center, and I'm going to dot it with gold. I love metallic gold so much that I use it more often than normal. Now this is a light blue where I mixed white. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep some golden dots now. I'll keep side swipes in blue. I'll keep tiny golden dots. Now I'll keep straight swipes in gold. I'm sure this dot mandala too came out really well. With simple changes, you can make multiple dot mandalas. This is the third one that we made. Now we will move on to the next. Let's get started with dotting the fourth one now. I'll start with dotting in the center in gold. I'll keep some lighter version of turquoise blue dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in blue. I'll keep some golden dots now. Now I'll keep two side swipes in blue. I'll keep two more side swipes in gold. Now I'll keep some blue dots. Now I'll keep some more dots. In this board, I'll start with dotting in the center in gold. I'll keep some teal blue dots. So I'm keeping only 6 dots around this main dot. Now I'll keep side swipe using teal blue. I'm keeping the sides only on one side now. Now I'll keep some golden dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes in teal blue. Now two more side swipes in gold. Now I'll keep some teal blue dots. Now in this small board, I'm going to start dotting in the center with neon pink. Now I'll keep neon green dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes in neon green. Now I'll keep some neon pink dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes in green. Now I'll keep two more side swipes in neon pink. Now I'll keep some tiny dots in green. I'm keeping 3 tiny dots. I'm sure this design also came out really well. We'll move on to the next now. In this design, I'll start with dotting in the center in neon yellow. Now I'll keep some dots in neon orange. I'll keep some tiny dots now. Now I'll keep some neon yellow dots. Now I'm going to keep swipes in both the directions. Now I'll keep swipes in orange. So I'll start from here and end it here. All these designs in this video has dots, swipes, but there are some minor differences between the designs. Since this is more oriented towards very beginners, I thought I'll make it so simple. Now I'll keep two more side swipes in the opposite direction now. So I'll start from here and end it here. I'll keep some orange dots. I'm sure you all found all these 7 designs very simple and easy to practice. Thank you for watching this video.